Hello students. The last class we had discussed about the kinds of first aid for fractures, cuts and wounds, sprain, nosebleed, etc. Today we are going to study one more first aid for burns. Burns is a common thing happening in our day-to-day life. By touching the hot vessel, otherwise any hot objects falling on us, playing with the flames. So like these activities we may get burns in our different parts of the body. Children, do you know what you have to do like these situations when you get burned? No need to get any tension or screaming. Yes, it may be little bit painful, but you have to do the person who is affected by burn to lie down on a surface. No need to move or unnecessary actions. We have to make the person calm. So for that you have to lie down the person on a surface. It may be the bed or table, anything. The burns are a minor one, the small one. You can show the body part, where the affected part, under the running water. You can open the tap and under that running water you can show the affected part, which will reduce the heat of the affected area. After that, if blisters or wound comes, you have to close the burn wound by the clean cloth. You have to cover the wound by clean cloth, because it will protect the germs. Germs are present everywhere, isn't it? So germs enter through the wounds in our body and causes many diseases. So we have to protect the disease from the germs by covering the wound, burns wound, with a clean cloth. Suppose your dress caught fire, otherwise the body, sometimes the body caught fire. What we have to do? Immediately we have to cover the person with a thick blanket, very thick blanket. If we cover the person, the fire will put out, because the living gas which we are inhaling from the air, which the lungs taking from the air, yes, very good, oxygen. Oxygen is helping us to live. Not only that, oxygen will help the fire to burn very stronger. So we have to cut the connection of the burning thing with from the air. We have to cover the object, otherwise the person, by using a thick blanket. The woolen blanket is a very preferable one. If you don't have the woolen one, very thick blanket you have to take. If you can wet the blanket, you have to wet it and cover the person if the dress or the person himself caught fire. And next one, after burning, the blisters. Sometimes the blister will come, isn't it? Don't break the blister, otherwise don't tear the blister skin. It will increase the damage of the wound. And at last, if the burn is severe one, you have to immediately take the person to the hospital. Okay? If you get burns, I already told, burn is a common thing, because we are dealing with the fire in our day-to-day life often. So it is a common one. We should be very careful, but if we get burns, if it is a minor one, you immediately show the affected area in the running water. After that, cover the what? If you get burns or wound, you have to cover the wound with a clean cloth to protect the wound from the germs. And if the dress or the person caught fire, you have to cover him with a thick blanket. And if blisters came, don't tear the blister, and don't tear the blister skin. It will increase the what? Severeness of the wound. And the burns are severe. If the person get the severe burns, we have to immediately take the person to the hospital. Is it clear, students?